Rishabh.
Yeah.
So, Rishabh, आज क्या करेंगे ना? Just for all the results that you've got and all, will quickly recapitulate कि कितना क्या हुआ है, how's your journey been, etc. Of course, I know you personally,
Yeah.
but for all those clients जो नए हैं, or for others to know as well who you are, what you do, the first thing I'm going to ask you, if you can quickly introduce yourself in short and tell us what you do and how do you help, where are you based out of?
Yeah. So basically, by profession, I'm an NLP coach and sound healer, and I love to help people with their limiting blocks, limiting beliefs, I would say, and helping them to live a life of happiness and peace while following their dreams, or I would say, to their purpose of the life. So this is something that I do, and I'm based out of Bangalore, and yeah, that's pretty much.
Okay, sounds great. So how did your business look like 6 months ago? For example, your revenue, your clients, your day-to-day meetings
Okay.
before
So
your ability essentially.
Okay, so basically 6 months ago, it was more like I did not have that structure of the like the coaching program. I would say, although I was doing workshops, but a fixed structure I needed at that time. So previously the structure was not there, and I was not uh, acquiring the clients on one-on-one basis. But now it is there. So
And
after working like 6 months, so I'm able to have the one-on-one clients, I would say, and the revenue is much higher than what
okay, I'll
it
talk
was.
about the revenue in a little bit, but if we recall that moment before joining Viewability, let's say if I ask you, what was that one problem that was eating you, the most before you joined, and what did you already try, and why did it not work?
So basically, there are not one thing. There are a couple of things I would say. ठीक है, क्योंकि एक चीज पे तो usability help भी नहीं करते. There are multiple aspects usability
Yes.
helps, right? So the thing is, first of all, एक streamline process होना कि जहाँ से lead system आ सके, leads मतलब जो लोग आ सके. So that was not there at first, and I was like कि कहाँ से जाके ढूंढूं, कहाँ से आएंगे. So usability helped me set up that part as well.
Okay.
And through trial and errors, we found out कि कौन सा चीज मेरे लिए work कर रहा है, and that's how we figured it out. And leads आए, leads से conversion भी हो गए फिर. So
Okay.
this is one of the things. Second thing, क्योंकि leads आते तो हैं, पर अब convert करने के लिए you need also a sales framework or sales in my own way. So I was able to find that with the help of viewability कि मैं किस तरीके से sales call को क्या बोलते हैं facilitate कर सकता हूँ.
Okay.
So this is something that I learned over here.
Wonderful. So, what was that primary reason, or what made you pull the trigger on viewability for joining viewability? आपको क्या लगा कि कैसे हम help कर पाएंगे? Why did you join?
Okay, so Abhilash, like I am upfront telling you कि viewability join करने से पहले I was not sure कि viewability join करना है कि नहीं. But before that I was doing some here and there things, जैसे कि workshops करना, and I was trying to acquire the clients जो भी मेरे आजू बाजू जिन लोगों से भी मिल रहा था, right? But over the period of time I realized that if I want to move fast, so I need some business coaching, like a coach or a person who can guide me. So I was looking for the guidance, and then bravo, I hopped onto the discovery call, and now I'm here.
Oh, wonderful. Let's talk about that special moment, Rishabh, which is your first win.
Yeah.
So, walk me through the exact moment when you got your first result. What happened and how did you feel like?
So when I got my first result, I was very happy क्योंकि अभी तक जितना भी efforts डाल रहा था, so when those efforts convert into some conversions, मतलब as business के लिए वो थोड़ा सा एक win है. It's not the ultimate thing.
Yeah.
But when that thing happened to me, I was really happy at that time क्योंकि मतलब बहुत टाइम से मैं यही देख रहा था कि एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाओ, वहां से अप्लाई भी करो, जैसे सेल्स फ्रेमवर्क है, एंड by applying that am I able to convert the people as well. So जब ये सारी चीजें सारी एक्शन में आके जब क्लोज हुआ, तो I felt like yes, I was able to apply some of those principles and it gave me the results. So I was happy कि फाइनेंशियली भी थोड़ा स्टेबल ऐसा फील होता ना कि भाई हाँ ठीक है, चलो फाइनेंस आ रहा है.
Yeah, once you see it through.
Yeah.
Tell me this: what was your first number, your conversion हुआ, and that made you think, okay, this is real now?
So that was, I believe, it was 18,000. Okay.
And there
Uh,
was partial payment, right? Yeah.
yeah, I got the partial payment of that. But वो 18,000 था और वो पूरा डील तो go through नहीं किया था. But that one thing I remembered because I so मतलब I cracked the deal. We worked together for few sessions, ठीक है. और फिर उसके बाद में मतलब जो भी वो था, वो अमाउंट था, तो वो कितना 5,000 के अराउंड था फर्स्ट. सो आई वाज हैप्पी दैट आई मेड 5,000 ऑफ माय ओन स्किल्स. सो
Got it. उसके बाद आपने कितने कन्वर्ट किए?
उसके बाद में और 4 कन्वर्ट हुए हैं.
कन्वर्ट किए,
4 कन्वर्ट किया है और फिर बाद में ये तो मतलब 5,000 तो फर्स्ट था, बट फिर वो इंक्रीज होता गया. सो नाउ इट इज गुड कि 30K के प्राइस पॉइंट पे वैसे मैं बोल या काट देना आप, ठीक है अभिलाष, पर 30 के प्राइस पॉइंट पे किया.
Okay, okay, great. So tell me this: what did you have to unlearn or change about how you were running things previously?
नहीं अभिलाष, वापस से बताइए.
What did you have to, for example, after joining Ubility, there could be a new things that you had to learn, and few things that you were doing previously that you need to unlearn, during running things and all. So वो क्या था आपके लिए?
अगर आप ऐसे बोलोगे तो लर्निंग्स तो सबसे पहले यही था कि बिजनेस इज नॉट अ गेम ऑफ फ्लूक, नहीं है ये, टाइम लगता है. सो फर्स्ट लर्निंग वाज दैट कि whatever that I'm thinking, it will take some time to figure out the things and to apply all the principles of that. Principles की बात है कि जब हम लोग बिजनेस में उतरते हैं, the first thing is the skill that you have, and then the lead generation system along with the same skill, and then afterwards. तो ये वाला जो ये पार्ट था, ये पूरा जो पार्ट है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा लर्नेबल रहा मेरे लिए, क्योंकि इट हेल्प मी टू इम्प्रूव माई कन्वर्जन स्किल्स, आई वुड से. और आई वुड से कि क्या बोलते हैं कन्वर्जन और ये सेल्स स्किल बोल दो, कि परसुएसिव स्किल को भी और एनहेंस किया उस चीज को. सो दिस वाज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स. एंड अनलर्न मैंने क्या किया कि जो प्रीवियस वे ऑफ आई वाज डूइंग, मतलब कि इधर उधर जाना और लोगों से पूछना और मतलब चेस करना, इज समथिंग दैट आई लर्न right here. What I do right now is I am not chasing the people, although I am running some ads, okay? So people are coming to me, and from there, when the entire pipeline executes, तब मजा आता है.
Wonderful. So tell me, Rishabh, कि आपने बोला you made 4-5 conversions and all, and in terms of, let's say, your revenue numbers, जो भी आपने revenue कमाया होगा अभी तक, so what does that number actually mean for you outside the business? एक तो obviously it helps you sustain the business and all. Apart from that, what does it mean for you?
हाँ, that's a pretty much good question, I would say, क्योंकि ठीक है पैसा तो आता ही है, पर पैसे के अलावा एक अंदर एक फीलिंग भी आती है. सो व्हेन दैट रेवेन्यू मार्क जो भी हिट हुआ मेरा, ठीक है, सो आई फेल्ट सो हैप्पी फ्रॉम विद इन कि यार जो मेरे अंदर है, आई वाज एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट दैट, एंड आई फील, मतलब ऐसा होता नहीं, लाइक आई फील बिग इनसाइड माई सेल्फ. सो फॉर मी पर्सनली इट मीन्स दैट बिकमिंग फ्री by myself, whatever the skills that I've learned, yes, to have that more competence and confidence onto myself, and to be happy. So yeah, this is something that
Wonderful.
this is something that means for me.
Great. Now, one last question, Rishabh. Will not take much of the time. Let's say someone is watching you, watching this right now, sitting exactly you were, 6 months ago. What do you tell them?
So if someone is sitting right over there at the 6 months, so I will tell them ki if you are looking for to get the leads, मतलब clients, and to work with them, and if you are not able to find them, normally अगर network के through नहीं मिल रहा है, you do not know right now, and you are hustling a lot, right, and you are not able to have that engine of cash flow, then the one thing is that have one mentor, one coach, या कोई भी, मतलब that can be anyone, but have that and see if that person can help you out. For me, it was the Uability, right? And if you feel that Uability आपको help कर सकता है, तो please go on a call and see if it works for you. and if not, then just go and have one mentor for this so that you can fast track your journey. Yeah.
Right. I think it helps you. I mean, what you were also trying to say is helps you, of course, fast track the journey and helps you reduce the trial and error.
Yeah, मतलब वो टाइम जो आपका ट्रायल एंड एरर में जाएगा तो ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज इट demands your energy, effort, time, money, everything. So
Great, great. So thanks, Rishabh. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your valuable inputs, and I'll see you in our next call soon. Then.
yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.